In 2020, the Corporate Affairs Commission integrated its operations with the Federal Inland Revenue Service regarding the issuance of tax identification number, along with the certificate of incorporation. This was a welcome development in line with the Ease of Doing Business in Nigeria initiative. The development of issuing business owners their tax identification number with their certificate of incorporation saved them from the hustles and bustles of applying for their tax identification number separately through FIRS. So, entrepreneurs find it much easier to open their corporate accounts upon receiving the certificate of incorporation instead of waiting for the Federal Inland Revenue Service to issue them a tax identification number. If you are yet to register your business, you can do that and automatically get your TIN. You can head over to CAC's portal to commence your registration, or you can use the services of a trusted team. Redale will register your business with CAC and ensure you get all the required documents without hiccups. Simply call the number now displayed on your screen to get the requirements. If your business is already registered and you do not have a tax identification number, then pay proper attention to this video as we guide you through the process. To begin, let's talk about TIN. Tax payment is compulsory for every business owner in Nigeria as well as employed Nigerian citizens. Therefore, it is impossible to pay your tax or open a corporate bank account without your tax identification number. So, in this video, we will take you through the process of how to get a TIN in Nigeria, either as an individual or a company. Head over to entrepreneurs.ng to read about the different types of taxes in Nigeria and the easy steps to pay your tax in the country. Generally speaking, to get your TIN in Nigeria, all you need to do is visit the nearest FIRS office, request for relevant documents or forms involved, fill the forms correctly, return the completely filled form to FIRS, present your valid ID cards like your international passport, your national ID, voter's card or driver's license, then submit your passport and fingerprints. Nevertheless, we have broken down this process to answer the frequent questions people ask about tax identification numbers. Ensure you watch the video to the very end. Now, what is tax identification number? TIN. Basically, TIN is a unique number given to an individual, a registered business, or incorporated company for the purpose of tax payment. Usually, the number is issued by the tax office for proper identification and order. Why should I get a TIN? TIN is the proof you have to show that you are a registered taxpayer in Nigeria. In addition to that, TIN helps you avoid double taxation because your payment can be traced and verified. Not only that, TIN is required for government loans, foreign exchange, tax clearance certificate, opening corporate accounts, application for certificate of occupancy, application for trade import and export licenses, and registration of motor vehicles. How can I get a TIN in Nigeria as an individual? According to the Joint Tax Board, if you are an individual, you're automatically assigned a TIN based on your bank verification number or national identity number. In other words, to get a TIN as an individual, BVN or NIN is a major requirement. Alternatively, you can visit the FIRS office with the following requirements: duly completed TIN application form, a valid ID card, passport size photo, contract of employment or letter from your employer, and your utility bill. How can I get a TIN in Nigeria as a non-individual? Non-individuals include limited liability companies, enterprises, corporate societies, trade associations, and so on. So, to get your TIN, you can visit the closest tax office to where your company is located with the following documents: your memorandum and articles of association, your CAC document, utility bill, company seal, application letter on the company's letterhead, a well-filled TIN application form, the company name, registered office of the company, business address of the company, nature of business, date the company commenced business, company accounting date, name and address of banker, particulars of major shareholders of your company, particulars of directors of your company, name and address of auditors of your company, name and address of tax representative of your company. Please note that you will need both the originals and 2 extra copies of the listed documents. The originals are only needed for cited. Also, if you registered as a business name and not a limited liability company, you will need to provide the following: business name registration certificate, utility bill, duly completed TIN application form, application letter on your company letter-headed paper, official business stamp. Normally, you can apply for TIN within 6 months of incorporating your company, but it is advisable to apply immediately after the business is registered. On the other hand, Non-individuals can register for their TIN online by visiting tin.jtb.gov.ng. Note that before you can request a TIN number as a corporate body, your business has to be registered with the Corporate Affairs Commission. Now, how long does it take to get a TIN in Nigeria? Usually, it takes 10 working days after submitting your TIN application. However, due to the backlogs in FIRS, it takes longer than the usual time frame. If you register online via the Joint Tax Board, your TIN number will be generated within 48 hours after your TIN request has been submitted. How much does it cost to get a TIN in Nigeria? TIN is free if you do it yourself, but if you decide to engage the services of a third party, you will need to pay for the person's service charge. So, how can I verify my TIN? It is important that you verify your tax identification number once you receive it. To do that, visit firs.gov.ng and click on TIN verification, then go to the search form. You'll be given 3 options. Option 1. Search using tax identification number. Select tax identification number on the select criteria drop-down list. Input your TIN in the search value field. Enter the correct capture image text. Click on search button. Option 2. Select CAC registration number on the select search criteria drop-down list. Enter your CAC registration number in the search value field. Enter the correct capture image text. Click on the search button. 3. Search using your phone number. Select phone number on the select search criteria drop-down list. Enter your phone number in the search value field. Enter the correct capture image text and click on the search button. Now, what do I need to open a corporate bank account in Nigeria? You need your certificate of incorporation, tax identification number, valid IDs of directors, passport photo of each signatory, and board resolutions. Apart from that, GT Bank, for example, requires 5,000 naira payment to verify your CAC documents. The amount, however, varies with the different banks. We are happy to share this content with you. Also, feel free to share it with your friends and associates. Remember, tax payment is everybody's duty. Entrepreneurship is a lonely journey. Let us walk you through it with our services. Would you like to give your business the opportunity to thrive? Do you want your business recognized on other platforms? Do you want to increase her visibility and turnover? Then you're in luck, because at entrepreneurs.ng we advertise your business on our website with over 600 views daily. Advertise on our social media platforms, press releases, email marketing, and more. Simply visit entrepreneurs.ng/advertise to get started. Over there, you get to download our rate card for free and peruse our different offerings. Does your business have a company profile yet? Control the narrative and perception of your brand. We have a team of storytellers that will tell your brand story like it has never been told. To be a particular of some of our services, we have different entrepreneurial books for you to buy from. We have the 35 Women Business Ideas and Step-by-Step Guide for starting them. We have How to Sell Like a Pro. Do you want to increase your sales? This is definitely a book for you. Do you want the ultimate legal guide to doing business in Nigeria? Do you want to become successful as a franchise owner? Do you want the step-by-step guide of starting different businesses? You can visit entrepreneurs.ng/shop to get one that suits your business. Do you have questions or contributions to make? Like and leave us a comment. You can use these links to access our different services. To keep track of all of our services and activities, follow us on all of our social media pages. Till we'll see you next time. It's bye for now. Bye!